So I'm here at Ellen's, taking advantage of her superior internet connection to upload kitty videos. Because, I mean, really, what else is the internet for? Other than porn. Jabba here is pretty sure that the internet exists purely to make him a star. Yeah. Hell yeah, baby. He is also of the opinion that any monkey stupid enough to show up with an empty lap and wearing black deserves exactly what she gets. Look at this. Look at this. Here, let's look at Cute Overload. There we go. I'm sure they'll get around to you one day. Don't worry.